Hello everyone, welcome to ScorHigh. In a daily current affairs analysis series, today we'll be discussing the topic Council of Europe has restored voting rights of Russia. So this was in news recently and we'll be discussing it in length. So let's see what was the news. So the Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe at Strasbourg, France has voted in favor of restoring Russia's voting rights 5 years after they were revoked over its illegal annexation of Crimean Peninsula. So the voting rights of Russia was taken when it had illegally annexed Crimean Peninsula. But now the Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe has decided to restore the voting rights. So what is the background of this story? In 2014, following Russia's annexation of Crimea, Russia was stripped of its voting rights. Russia then responded by boycotting the assembly, and since 2017, the country also refused to pay its share of 33 million euro to Human Rights Watchdog. Recently, Russia had also threatened the assembly of quitting that body altogether if it is not allowed to take part in election of a new Secretary General to the body. So, how does the parliamentary votes? The Parliamentary Assembly voted with 118 in favor and 62 against and 10 abstentions, and the voting was undertaken despite strong opposition from Ukraine. The outcome of this move was that this move paved the way for Russia to participate in election of a new Secretary General for Pan-European Rights Body. Now something about Council of Europe. The Council of Europe, it is European continent's leading human rights organization whose stated aim is to uphold human rights, democracy and the rule of law in Europe. The organization is separate from the European Union, and the Council of Europe was established in the year 1949 and the headquarters is at Strasbourg, France. And the objective is to achieve unity between its member countries for the purpose of safeguarding and realizing ideals and principles which are their common heritage, and also to facilitate their economic and social progress. So the things to remember are it is European continent's leading human rights organization. It is separate from the European Union and it was established in the year 1949 and the headquarters is at Strasbourg, France. The members are, this is the objective as we have discussed, and it has 47 member states including 28 members of the European Union. So this was all about how the Council of Europe has restored the voting rights of Russia. For various other current affairs updates, you can visit our website, that is www.scorhigh.com, or you can even follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is score_high. So that's all for today. We'll be meeting again with a new topic. Thank you so much.